For a year and a few months, the Mark II remained under covers. And now it's time to get the covers off because you're about to get fixed, fully fixed, engine motor, gearbox dropped in, and it's going to be amazing. Let's fucking get it. Sir, baby, won't be long now. Won't be long now. What the fuck? It's even lift. So this is the old hood. Paint's gone a bit funny because of the car cover I was using before. Bit of a kink here and a bit of a kink here. So I'm gonna slap a new one in. Looks pretty cool without an engine hood. Hey, just looks straight in. Boy, nice. Old and the new. Ish. Same color, same superannuation contributions. Yeah, it's gonna get painted regardless, but as you can see, no creases. She's nice and straight. On she goes. There's the new hood, looking real schmick. Look at that, real schmick, baby. It's a beautiful sunny day, and we're going to be taking the Mark II to get repaired. But first, we're in the trusty Civic to go pick up a ute. You're probably wondering why I'm taking the Targa, but the Targa doesn't have the right towing capacity. So, we've hired a ute. I've hired a ute. And, I mean, I've already got a trailer. So, that's one thing down pat. And we're going to load her up and take the Mark II to Tyson down at Platform Panelcraft in Minnow, aka near Campbelltown. And yeah, it should be a fucking good vibe, boys. Let's fucking get it. That's half of it. Yes, mates, there it is. The mighty go with the gecko. So now we gotta park up the Civic and grab this ute, eh? Alrighty, we got the hire vehicle. Check it out, man. Yee-hoo! Got a big ass tray in the back to store our stuff. Toyota Hilux, baby. Woo, yeah. Check it out, man. Man, this shit exciting. Start her up. Yes, sir. Fuck yeah, Toyota, baby. Woo! Oh, this is sick. So basically, you take a few photos of the car, and then they wirelessly unlock it. It's some wild technology alien shit, bro. It's pretty fucking sick. So yeah, we're in the fucking Hilux, man, and we're about to go get the trailer, load the Mark II onto the trailer, and load this big ass fucking cage with all the parts that we need for the repair, the front bar, rear bar, etc. and we're fucking good to drop it off, baby. Woo! Alright, see you, Civic. We back in a few hours, baby. Won't be long. Ah, shit. Let's fucking go, boys and girls. Looking a bit empty out here, eh? Oh, what's that? There it is, all strapped up. Mark II, baby, ready to go. Got all the gear in the back. The rear, 2 rear bumpers, front bumper, and the lip. And there she is. Boom. The Mark II is getting repaired. Keen as fuck. Alrighty, kind of nervous. But because this is quite a big trip, but you know, we'll jump on the M7 and we should be Gucci. Alright, let's flick this bitch into power mode, and I guess that's it. Let's go for it. Woo. Oh man, she pulling. We going. Quick brake check. Yeah, everything stops as it should. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. Bro, I just got honked at, and I was like, oh yeah, sick, probably for the Mark II. It's like, oh mate, your 2 rear turf straps, one of your turf straps in the back has come loose. I'm like, fuck. What a mad dog. I didn't know his name was, but man, legend, thank you so much. And indeed, it had just come loose. I don't know why. So, a bit concerned as to what's going on. Maybe I didn't do something properly. But slow and steady, I just did a different knot, a different strap down on the rear tires. The front ones seem fine. I don't know why it's coming loose. But either way, each strap is rated to 2 tons. And if one fails, one or 2 straps could still technically hold the vehicle down. But I don't want that to fucking happen. Hey, fucking hell, dude. Okay. Woo! Bit stressful, boys, but it's alright. It's all part of the game, yeah. Bruh, we just narrowly escaped an accident. Some cunt on his P's decided to just stop in the middle of the freeway. And there was a truck in front of me, so he hits on the brakes and swerves around. And there's a big truck behind me who switches lanes and goes forward, and I'm just like on the brakes, just like trying not to brake too hard. Oh man. This car was just literally in the far left lane, just stopped. Don't know why. That was close, man.
How's it going?
Yo, how you going, bro?
Yeah, not too bad. Just pull in the driveway now and unload it.
Like drive straight through, or just whatever, where should I unload it?
Yeah, just go left and then drive up towards the first roller door.
First roller door? Alright, sick. Alright, we arrived safe and sound. Yes, sir. Alrighty, time to unload. Oh yes. Beautiful. So no rust. Looks good. Nice. Factory. Fuck yeah, it's even got this bit as well.
Yeah.
Oh dude, that's beautiful. Fuck yeah.
So it's going to be nice. They even got the plastic too.
Oh yeah. Sick, man. Looking forward to it. Alrighty, the Mark II is ready. And she's still looking good, man. She's still looking good. So the new bonnet is on. Gonna get the front bar as well sorted. This whole new rad support we changed out. And we might even get these guards pumped out about 20 mils so we can fit our new wheels on. And of course, the bulk of the damage is out here in the rear. All this. Okay, so trailer's packed up. Look at some of the other whips in store, man. Check out this S15, shit's clean as fuck. Classy. And of course Mark II here, just chilling, ready to go. I'll take some photos real quick. And we're back, safe and sound. Ah, what a day. We just gotta go drop the ute off, but it's quite convenient to have our own trailer. I was just thinking, a trailer is like a cash generating asset, whereas a vehicle, not so much. So I gotta go drop the trailer off, get the Civic back, and I don't know, might go to the pub, get a skewy, mate. Yeah, might off the tap. Look at these ducks, bro. Getting some shade. Smart. Well, that's the ute dropped off. I think it's time for a bevy, mate. Let's go to the local tavern. I've actually been to this one before, Kings Park Tavern, but let's check it out and get a skewy on the solo. That's that, the day is done. Finished the day off with that. Great fucking northern, mate. Fuck yeah. I just wait 3 or 4 weeks for the whip to be finished. In the meantime, get some engine parts, because apparently the engine is a rear sump motor. But for JZX100 we got to do a front sub conversion, so I've got to find a front sub, convert it. But hopefully Charlie can help me with that. So until then, see you in the next video. Cheers, you dog. Bro, I realized I hadn't fucking eaten all day, so I decided to go pick up some car parts, and I figured let's get some fucking food. Portuguese chicken burger, man, it's fucking good. That slaps. And I had a pie as well because I'm fucking hungry, bro. That's better than Franco's, man. The name of the shop is called Time to Eat, literally. And we got our front sump. Thank you, Chan, for these alloy engine mount brackets. And with Mint engine mounts as well, because I looked at the engine and yeah, the engine mounts had the single prong, which means they're for the V, which means it's yeah, it was suited for the Mark IV Supra. So yeah, I got a few more things to do, man.